Thank you once again for clicking on my video. If today is your first visit, thank you so much. We do easy cooking recipes here, and please, if you are interested, do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is free. If you're watching me on YouTube, please do not forget to on or click on the bell icon that says all for more updates. Without wasting much of your time, let's start with today's activity. I have the video on how I season and then fry my squid on my social media platforms, all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. So wherever you are watching me, please check it out from there, and then you are going to understand. I didn't want the video to be very long, okay? So I seasoned the squid and started frying it. This is how we've gotten to, and now the squid is ready. I'm just going to remove it from the oil, and after removing everything, we are going to use the same oil to prepare the stew, but I'm going to take some of the oil out. Okay, so now we've taken the squid out and I took some of the oil. This is what is left. I'm just going to add my chopped onions. Okay, yes, the particles you are seeing there is not burnt. Okay, that is why I'm using it, so it will also add some taste to the stew. Now I'll add my green marinade. I have the recipe on my YouTube and Facebook page, so please check it out. But basically it is pepper, ginger, garlic, spices and herbs, a lot of things. So just check it out, you will love it. It is very flavorful. I'll go ahead and add my tomato sauce. So that is fresh tomatoes, only fresh tomatoes. You can actually use tomato paste if that is what you want, okay, but I actually use fresh tomatoes for almost about 99.9% of my seafood recipes. Okay, that is how I want it. So I'll give it a stir and then wait for a while. If you're interested of using tomato paste, I'm very sure it is going to taste good. Now we did not wait for the stew to be ready before we add the squid. I have added it straight away so that it can release the juice that they have into the stew and then add more flavor and taste to the stew. So at this moment, I'm not going to add anything that contains salt, okay, or any seasoning to the stew. We are just going to wait for it to be ready before we can determine whether we are going to add something to it. Now this is how the stew looks like, and at this particular moment I'm not going to add anything to the stew. It is so good and excellent because the squid was well seasoned, and naturally squid tastes so good. Okay, we paired this with plantains and oh my goodness, it was so nice. Thank you so much for watching, and try this recipe, you will love it. See you in the next one, and take care of yourself. Bye bye.